which is too quick, which is definitely too quick play from both Japan. From her own 10, from her own 22, she's got to touch, and first try there for Post Japan. No conversion there, no conversion. And we've got the post still leading the Lady Volcanoes by score of 5-0. The referee wants the play to be pulled back again. Penalty for the Lady Volcanoes. Rachel Size, tap. And quickly pounced on by the Bulls, Japan giving the players from Lady Volcanoes no room and no time to organize their play. Good support play there, spreading the ball. And what can I say? But try number 2. Georgia Dawes of the Post Japan with the second try. And to attempt the conversion is player number 5, Yuka Takashima. Well out of range. That is Post leading Lady Volcanoes 10-0. Post Japan finding a lot of space to play the ball, and we just scored the third try. And with the conversion attempt this time around. Which is good. Additional 2 points, 7 on the board, 17. Post Japan leading Lady Volcanoes 17-0. Well, sometimes we are unable to give you the names of the players because some numbers cannot be seen as it is with the jerseys, which can be quite deceiving sometimes. So we'd rather not mention any names or any players just in case we get it wrong. Okay, the ball not going the full 10 meters. ball over to Lady Volcanoes. Great pickup. Volcanoes still have to play. 5 foot down with support there. Quick and fast tackles, wasting no time. The Pulse Japan players. Quick head off. Ball was knocked forward by referee, who deemed it as a foul, and penalty to Lady Volcanoes. See what they decide to do here. And going past the halftime hooter, which sounded early on, we've got number one, Jenna Vaughn of Pulse, scoring the 4th try. And to attempt the conversion, again, number 5, Yuka Katashima. Right, next match coming up. Okay, Nagata Blues and Borneo Sevens kindly proceed to the technical table for toss of coin. Nagata Blues and Borneo Sevens kindly proceed to the technical area for your toss of coin. Thank you. Right, half time. Another try for Pulse Japan. No conversion 27. Score remains at 27-0. Favor of Pulse Japan over Lady Volcanoes. And making a dash for the try line there. Number 8. Finding out she was going to be tackled by number 10. We have got Minoru Yamamoto. Minoru Yamamoto scoring the 6th for Japan's try. Well, I think I'm going to personally appreciate all these girls out there. With the weather that it is, steaming hot, it's scorching sun there. Yeah, these girls are giving their all, trying to make the finals. Another unsuccessful conversion for Japan, leading Volcanoes by a score 32-0. Play change. Well, Japan forcing themselves way into the touchline there and succeeding in scoring the 7th try. Which should make it quite a difficult task for the conversion. But anyway, let's see if we can get the extra 2 points. The accuracy, but the distance was good. But anyway, score remains at 37-0 for the goals of Japan. Players getting some good water break there. Not caught properly, ball knocked forward, advantage penalty to both Japan. Scrum indicated by the referee. And they're off once again, number 9. We can change to number 7, the ball still by the Lady Volcano. It's 2 to tackle her. And there goes the final hooter for the game to end, which would mean this will be the last play of the game. See the position with the Lady Volcanoes. still unable to get out of their own 5. Oh, what a catch, what a disaster for the Lady Volcanoes. Ball could have been taken and went for a run, but she lost the ball, stolen in by Coast left-hand player. Lucky break there for Coast. Again, number 5, Takashima, will be attempting the conversion. No conversion, so final score. Close Japan 42, Lady Volcanoes 0. Right, next match coming up.